Hello, my name is Barry Hall-Rain and I am the Head of Global Tuition Provider Solutions at BPP. Welcome to the short recording where I will briefly be talking through our enhanced classroom product. As an ACCA Platinum provider, an approved content provider and approved teaching resources provider, you can be assured on the quality of our content and support resources available. So what is our Enhanced Classroom or ECR? The Enhanced Classroom is ideal for ACCA tuition providers to offer your classroom students who want the benefit of online access to content, learning activities and assessments whenever and wherever they want. The overall design enhances the classroom experience, creating a more efficient face-to-face model through reduced contact hours and increased assessment, ensuring your students are fully supported 24/7 through access to pre-recorded content which is aligned to what you teach in the classroom and to create learning efficiencies. To access the sample ECR, you need to access our demonstration website by following the details on screen. Once you're in, you will see the first few tiles dedicated to the ACCA qualification, which is broken down into 3 sections. Click on the ACCA Sample Enhanced Classroom product. In this section, you'll be able to view BPP's Sample Enhanced Classroom product, designed for students to support face-to-face learning. Our Enhanced Classroom offers experience. With over 40 years of it in the training market, we have harnessed all the knowledge and best practices of our classroom courses to design and develop a market-leading enhanced classroom product. ECR also offers flexibility. Students will have access to pre-recorded lectures by expert BPP tutors, which can be paused, rewound, and fast-forwarded, allowing students to study at their own pace and/or for tuition providers to set chapters as homework with the aid of the pre-recorded lectures, which are available for 100% of the syllabus. It includes topics and learning activities, which are broken down into logical topics and associated learning activities. The activities within each topic will help students identify their strengths and weaknesses on specific areas and learn core syllabus knowledge whilst providing lots of opportunity to practice with real-life examples. Each activity helps students understand and apply the syllabus content by either explaining a concept, showing a work example, or providing an opportunity to apply the concept through practice and apply assessments. All students are given access to their personal online learning area, which includes online knowledge tests. The tests consist of a series of online assessments that build in complexity and syllabus coverage, preparing students for exam success. So how does it work? The Enhanced Classroom creates the ability to reduce face-to-face contact time. It provides the addition of support resources for students and tutors outside of the classroom. It uses additional online knowledge tests to gauge students' knowledge, and it ensures seamless integration of the Enhanced Classroom with face-to-face teaching. On adoption of BPP's ECR into your face-to-face program, BPP will provide you with a guide illustrating how to integrate the ECR into your program. We will support you in following our 4-step approach to ensure seamless and successful implementation of ECR to support increased pass rates, more efficient teaching models, unrivaled student and tutor support resources, increased testing, and higher levels of student satisfaction. Lastly, it should be noted that in order to qualify for ECR adoption, you must also adopt BPP's course notes or workbook for each student, as the online platform follows this content. Thank you for taking the time to watch this short video. Should you have any questions in relation to anything shown on this video, please contact your local key account manager using the details on screen.